Hey guys, welcome back to Cloud Territory. Today we are diving into the world of Azure Kubernetes, or AKS for short. If you've ever wondered how to manage a fleet of containerized applications, this video is for you. Buckle up because we're about to make AKS as clear as a sunny day. Let's get started. First things first, what is AKS? Imagine you're running a massive shipping port, and each shipping container is an application. Remember, these containers needs to be moved, they need to be organized and be kept running smoothly. That is where Azure Kubernetes comes in. It is Microsoft's managed Kubernetes platform that takes the headache out of orchestrating your containerized applications. AKS is like the ultimate port manager. It automates deployment, scaling, and management of containers so you can focus on building awesome applications instead of babysitting servers. Okay, why containers? Containers are like lunchboxes for your applications. They package your code, dependencies, and everything needed to run your application. So your applications run the same everywhere. No more drama like, it works on my machine, I don't know why it's not working on your machine. Also, you need to know that Kubernetes is the mastermind that organizes these containers. It decides where the containers run. It scales them up when demand spikes. It even restarts them if they crash. So AKS is Kubernetes with a Microsoft twist. It takes off the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Let's break down how AKS works for your containerized application. Picture AKS as a fancy restaurant's kitchen where your containers are the dishes and AKS is the head chef making sure everything comes out perfect.
AKS sets up a Kubernetes cluster. This is like the kitchen itself, a control plane, the chef's brain, and worker nodes, the cooking stations. The control plane manages everything while the nodes run your containers. With AKS, Microsoft handles the control plane for you, security patches, updates, and all that jazz, so you can focus on your application that matters. Next, you deploy your containers using Docker images. These are your recipes, stored in a container registry like Azure Container Registry. AKS pulls these images and deploys them to the nodes using pods. Think of pods as the plate holding your dishes. What happens when your application gets super popular? AKS has your back with auto scaling. It spins up more pods or nodes when traffic spikes, like adding more cooks to the kitchen during a dinner rush. Plus, AKS handle load balancing, spread user requests across your containers so no single pod gets overwhelmed. It's like making sure every customer gets their food fast. A container crashes. No worries. AKS is like a superhero with a first aid kit. It automatically restarts failed pods or moves them to healthier nodes. Your app stays online and your users stay happy. Finally, AKS makes updates a breeze. Want to roll out a new version of your application? AKS does rolling updates, swapping old containers for new ones without downtime. It's like renovating a restaurant while still serving customers.
So why pick AKS? It is managed, so you skip the boring set of stuff. It integrates with Azure features like Azure Monitor for tracking performance. It is secure with Azure tools like role-based access control. Also, it scales with your needs, whether you're a startup or a global enterprise. And that's how AKS works for containerized application. It's your ticket to running applications like a pro without chaos. Want to try it? Head to Azure's website to spin up your first AKS cluster. It's easier than you think, trust me. If you love this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cloud content. Drop a comment, have you used AKS or you are a Team Docker Swarm? See you in the next video.